this is such a great story about how Ariel became a new. But that Ursula, oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me your voice, she says. And Ariel gets all flustered and don't know what she's signing. Wait, all these seahorses. Let me start at the middle. Wait, no, what am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it ends. Oh, wait, I got an idea. I'll start at the beginning. I was born from a small
Believe me, Ariel, the human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. All the fish is happy as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, but the sad goes getting old. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they for a worse of fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you got me on the plate. Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks love to cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is free here, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they get here, it's not to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea.
Poor Ariel. She swam this way. Said something about being in love with a human.
That brings us lopsiders and necks laryngitis, approaching to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. Yes, poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? They need to shake. Too bad you gonna miss me, girl. There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her.
can see, everything worked out swell for Ariel. Of course, sometimes I get a little confounded and confabulated, but otherwise...
You are a wonderful child. Now, please step out to your left. Goodbye.